for this year. We're really excited to be here with you. Of course, we were meant to have a grand finale for 2012 in December. Unfortunately, we weren't able to have it. So today, it's a celebratory This Boy, This Man. It's all about thanking God for a whole year of this charity. The rules of mingling: shake your hand, introduce yourself, say your name, what you do for a living. Yeah? This is This Boy, This Man. It is a bi-monthly charity event that I host with Tamasha Beats. We decided to come together and do something for men because we feel that they're not given enough attention. We appreciate you. We know the struggles that men go through and we don't think you're lauded enough. So we decided to come together to have a bi-monthly charity where we appreciate what we like to call the boy child. If you have never heard of it, please join our online community. You can tweet about this event and still invite people to come. The hashtag on Twitter is This Boy, This Man. Our Facebook page is This Boy Space This Man. And you can also join our Facebook page, Tamasha Beats, to get to know more about some of the fantastic initiatives that we were going to have this year.
This is Tamasha Beats. Welcome very much, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, baby, hey, hey, hey. Come on, you kiss me, man. Before I'm going, come on, you kiss me, man. Before I'm going, don't you kiss me nice, nice. Before I'm going, hello my baby, 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 hello my baby. Nifikiria popo, silisi sura yangu ya tabasamu, roho haiduni, bali huruka. Oh, oh, The band. Do you want to know who these guys are? Now, she is beautiful, she's talented, and she is the only madam in the bar. Give it up for Tindi on the bass. Bring it up. Turn it. Yeah, wapi makofi. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Chuck and the keys. 20 minutes. Bring it. Yeah, the ladies man, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kim Money on the rhythm guitar. On
the lead guitar, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Josh. Twende kazi. Yeah. Aya. On the drums, give it up for Oliviera. Hey, chop, 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 whoa, tinga, 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 Boys to Men project, it's a 10-week program. It was authored by Pastor Simon Bavey. So it's basically, I and other facilitators take these boys through the book and just teaching them what manhood is about. The 20,000 went to buying these books that help facilitate not only books in Mashariki but also in Uru Boys.
That money really helped. Caleb had already passed on by then. We started a small foundation for helping children who cannot afford to pay their bills but not yet fully registered. We are very thankful, and I don't know how to express how thankful we are, but we are very thankful, and God bless you all.
They say only after disaster can you be resurrected awake, so I chose to dub this piece Heartbreak. In the world I see, you are a bleeding elf act by the tall trees of Amazon forests in ruins. You will climb the wrist-thick pines towering above, dripping a corrosive mixture of blood and sweat. And when you look down, you will see your crazy ex-girlfriend that lost her mind zipping and unzipping you lonely. Abandoned in an abandoned superhighway, waving the middle finger.
On stage, the lovely Joy Karamesi. Put your hands together for Joy Karamesi. We've been drooling over sports news, wondering Mwakazi atamaliza sangapi so that Don can come and tell me. Yeah! And then we also have the lovely, she's part of K24, she's the presenter and producer of the show. She's a lovely lady. And we are happy to have her here, but she said, you know what, Cindy, I'm gonna do this. I need to have me a date with Banana. Put your hands together for Martha, aka Specified. Odeko Mentoa, 100 for Martha. What people coffee for Martha? Joy. In your Joy. 200 shillings for Joy. It's not now. It's the one that only Joy Karamesi. What do you mean? I wonder if I never business in a Chikudiwa, what do you mean? I have as well. And of course, alright, back up in one more time. Put your hands together for Specified.
I glanced at you from the corner of my eyes, and when I passed by, to my surprise, after all this time, I managed to keep you smiling from side to side. And every encounter, you are sure to rise. You rise to the occasion, and occasionally you remind me, like Christ loved the church and will lay down his life. For this queen, Jewel, who you now call wife, you will sacrifice, pay any price. See, what you do for me, poetry can't speak. And if you think I'm boasting, I am, and that's a good thing. See, for you I call my lover, my man that I have crowned my king. You truly are my king.
I want to take this opportunity to thank Jacaranda Hotel for their support, and of course K24. Put your hands together for K24. I want to thank the amazing band. They have been great. They've performed well. Put your hands together for the band. Yeah. And of course the Tamasha singers as well as Mimo. Watu wangapi wali enjoy performance here, Mimo? Yeah, put your hands together for Mimo. And of course for being a sport, the handsome, without a muscle shirt. Bernard, no! Put your hands together for Bernard now. And everybody else who's made this event special.
Thank you very much. You've been a very wonderful audience until this time.